In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a personal blog in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a simple way to organize and publish your writing in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for blog or content creator, then choose a template you like and click Use this template. Once the template is added to your workspace, update it with your blog name, author information, and a short introduction. Replace the sample posts with your own content. Create a new page for each blog post and organize them with properties such as category, tags, publish date, and status. This makes it easy to manage drafts and published articles. Customize your blog by changing the cover image, page icon, and layout. You can also add images, videos, callouts, and links to make your posts more engaging. As you write, continue adding new posts and updating your blog to keep your content organized and easy to navigate. That's how to build a personal blog in Notion. Thanks for watching.